actually fun.
Hi, little girl.
This is awesome.
You can hop on. Just
This is awesome, seriously.
Whee! Oh my god, it's tilting. Yeah.
I know, I'm fat.
No, you're not. Yay!
Whee!
Whee! I'm getting sick. I'm not kidding. This
I
is
feel like
actually
a little
really
kid again.
This is actually really dizzying.
Yeah, and I'm in the
I
middle.
know,
This
it's
is
actually
tripping me
faster than I
out.
thought it'd be.
This is tripping me out.
I love it.
My name is Princess Diana.
I shall name this horse Shadow. He shall be my shadow.
I shall name this lake then. Her name
Hey, I'm
shall
kind
be
of tripping out now,
Kevin.
too.
It's like trippy. It's like woo.
Well, back then it was fun because we got to sit on the horses.
I know.
Yeah.
That's the only reason why.
Hey, I'm sitting on the horse pretty comfortably.
I am too.
What
I'm
do you
just
call
like
this
a
thing?
princess.
Kenny's actually full.
Merry-go-round or a carousel.
I'm married.
Did it break? Did we die? Did it die?
It's done.
Oh,
We killed it.
everybody get off. Everybody get off.
Oh jeez, I'm dizzy now.